are going today. So stay tuned. Okay guys, in today's video we are going to the 3D Trick Art Gallery. This is located in Rotorua, New Zealand. When you enter to the 3D Trick Gallery, you can see plenty of paintings. It is a 3D paintings where you can choose which one you wanted to take a photo. If you wanted to have an experience to ride on the llama, there you can. And also, if you wanted to have a little bit of adventure with this strong dinosaur, and as well as this friendly dolphin, the frog, which is so cute guys. So this epic image of turtle, and if you wanted to have a photo in this train, you can have it as well. Lastly, the most interesting part of this adventure is this most epic view of waterfalls. So guys, if you wanted to take a picture of the whole view of this 3D waterfalls painting, you can just go upstairs and take a picture. Next thing that we are going to do is the farm tour. So, are you ready for our next adventure guys? So let's go and enjoy!
Hey guys, the Heritage Farm. My name is Winnie Artis and I will be a tour guide today. We do have a couple of house rules though. We must remain seated at all times. Unless I state otherwise, then you guys are free to jump on and off the trailer. When you are doing so, please watch your step because in some places it can be a little bit higher, a little bit lower, okay? Secondly, we do have 2 rubbish bins. Black face and the black feet. Those ones there are called English Suffolk. If you do freak out, just drop the food on the ground, step back, and we'll hang around the food. And then hold in there folks, come on and
the most interesting part of this tour guys was the guests or their guests was hands-on to feed the animals like the sheep. Yeah, and it is my first time guys, so I was enjoying it. Yeah, and it's so beautiful to touch their walls because it's so soft, it's very soft. So kids, I myself was enjoying it. Let's enjoy. Once you feel that your hand is sticky because of the feeds that you're holding for feeding the sheep, you can just touch the wall of the sheep and it will help to clean up your hands. After feeding the sheep guys, let us continue to our adventure. Ayan, it's beautiful guys. In the middle of our tour, our guide gave us this free kiwi fruit juice. It was so delicious and so sweet guys. You know, I can't help myself to get more and more kiwi juice because it was so delicious. But I give some to others. Sharing is loving.
Alrighty, here's just a rubbish bin just over there, all the ones on the trailer.
After our short break, we continue to our tour, and now we are here in the cows area. Our guide explains what's the benefit of the cows here in New Zealand.
Well, we have 3 different types of cows here. We're going to start off with the big black and white one. That one is called a Holstein Friesian, all the way from Holland. Now those black and white ones there, they can produce between 20 and 25 litres of milk per day. And they can weigh up to 800 kg. At the moment she's probably around 350, 400. She gets 800 kg. At the moment she's probably around 350, 400. She definitely won't make 8 just because she's not an actual working cow. She's just a cow living the life of leisure. Also, we do have these beautiful caramel girls as well. These ones are known as Jersey cows. Now they can't produce as much milk as the black and white ones, but these ones have a lot of fat content in their milk. It's really good for making butter and cream. Okay? Angus, New Zealand's #1 beef export. He's not known as the Angus steak burger and McDonald's, Burger King.
After the short learnings about the cows, we are now here in the families of alpaca. Let's enjoy feeding them.
So just be a little bit mindful when you're standing behind them, okay? Also, these guys do love to spit, alright?
Oh my God.
But it's only because they like you, okay? So if they spit at you, you turn around and right back at them. Other than that, guys, come on out and let me feed them.
Well done, Neil. Well done.
Once you feel that your hand is a little bit wet or sticky from the feeds, just touch the wool of alpaca. It will help to clean up your hands again.
I would normally let you guys pass it around, but it'll probably take 2 hours for everybody to have a bit of a, you know, a bit of a touch. Yeah. This can hold up to 15 chicken eggs, okay? Or deer. Now a lot of our guests call this one Donald Trump just because of his birthday over there. I'm pretty sure he doesn't like that name, so we'll just stick to him being nice.
Now we are approaching to the family of deer. Ayan. Our guide is just throwing the feeds and we are not allowed to enter kasi mayroon po siyang fence. And now guys, we are here in the family of llama. Ayan. The kids are enjoying feeding them again. Ayan. So as you can see, they are very hands-on to feed the animals. Now, after this epic farm tour, let us proceed to their animal nursery. Now, sit back and relax and listen to our guide kasi he is going to explain about how he will shear the sheep and show us how they able to shear the sheep. This is only done by the professionals.
They help us on the shearing board, stops us from slipping and sliding. Okay? This here is called a handpiece, okay? Solid steel, with just under 2 kgs. On the bottom there, it has a 13 tooth comb that sits on the surface of the skin, parting the wool, okay? And on top there is a 4 tooth cutter. Goes backwards and forwards really, really fast, cutting that wool. Righty. Very fast. Now it does get a little bit loud, okay guys? Make sure the sheep is relaxed, okay? Just say relax. 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 Alrighty? Bit of a wave. Hello. Bit of a smile. As you can see, no teeth on top. Stick my finger in there. No vessels. Alrighty? Milk production and reproduction. All that stuff has to stay on the sheep. Alrighty. If you guys are ready, we can get started. Alright. the sheep feels? A little bit cold. The best thing we can actually do for her is chuck her straight outside. 24 hours time, she'll get a belly full of grass, she'll start to warm up from the inside out. Okay? 2 days time, this skin thickness here will actually double. So that, the food, and the natural lanolin that's in her pores will keep her nice and healthy. Okay?
I think it's
She's gonna come up and have a feel.
I think it's feel.
Give it a rub. Go, sweetie.
While the kids are enjoying touching that sheep, I am also enjoying touching the wall of the sheep. Look at this. It is so soft, guys. Ayan guys, after our tour, they have a washing area where we can clean and wash our shoes. Ayan, para paglabas namin or paglabas natin from the farm, malinis na po yung mga shoes natin. After the farm tour, guys, now you can also visit to their shop, which their products are made from the sheep wools. We are done for today, guys, and for our farm tour and also the 3D gallery tour. So I hope that you enjoy my vlog today, and click the like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo for my next vlog. Thank you!